What are 3 ways to find leads for free when you're new in real estate? Hi, my name is Drew Richmond. I'm the team leader and CEO of the Dave Hooke Real Estate Team of Keller Williams of Central PA. When I started in real estate, I had just moved to a new area and I didn't know anybody. On top of that, I quit my full-time job and went all into real estate, so I didn't have a lot of extra money to spend on leads. Here are 3 resources that'll help you find leads for free if you're new or don't have a lot of extra money to spend on those leads. The first way to find free leads is through open houses. Don't have a listing? Don't worry. Somebody in your brokerage, market center, or team should be able to help. The opportunity to get leads from an open house happens typically in the week leading up to the open house. I recommend spending some time in the neighborhood, getting to know the neighbors, inviting them to come tour the home, and bring somebody along with them that might want to be their neighbor. The second free resource for finding leads is through community groups. You can do this on social media or in person. Some examples of some community groups are things like the Chamber of Commerce or professional referral exchanges. You could also join a community group that has a common interest that you have, such as a book club for readers or sports rec leagues or even MOPS for new parents. The third way to find leads is through door knocking to be a resource to neighborhoods. You can provide them home value information on local events happening. You can also just be a resource for them in case they need somebody such as a contractor or insurance agent. If you're looking for more ways to find leads for free, reply to this video or give us a call to book your free strategy session today. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to talk to you real soon.